Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a order from Blade HQ. They're having a big sale, or they were having a big sale. I think it's still going on, but there's literally hundreds of things on sale. And so I bought something, and we're gonna unbox that here in just a second. For the unboxing, I got my Wish knife, my fake Spyderco from Wish. This would be the Spyderco Rock cleaver, but yeah, we can open a bag with it. I mean, look at that, sharp. It's sharp, guys. It may not be a real one, but it's sharp. All right, so let's see what we got. Something from Real Steel. So this is the E571. There it is there. Stone washed. So these things normally retail for around 50 bucks. I think Amazon has them for 46 bucks or 47 bucks. Blade HQ had them on sale for 35. So I like Real Steel knives pretty well. Typically had the more expensive knives. So this one is, I just wanted to try a more budget-friendly Real Steel and see how it goes. So let's go ahead and open her up here. See what we got. Standard Real Steel packaging, which is very nice. We got the product sheet to tell us about the knife, but we don't need that right now. And then we got our standard cleaning cloth to wipe off all those smudges I'm going to put on this thing here in a second. But, there it is. So you can see on the frame here the stone wash finish, and you can also see that up on the blade with the Real Steel emblem. You got a flipper to open. It is a frame lock design, and you do have a little lock here for that. You got a pocket clip, which is not really what I would consider deep carry. So basically everything up here is going to be shown out of your pocket. I wish it sat more up where that screw is, but it's not terrible. You do have barrel spacers, so you got a nice wide open design, which I like. So you can get a Q-tip or something in there to do your cleaning without taking it all apart. Centering on that is pretty good. See if I can get my hand behind there so you can see it. But maybe just a hair over to this side, but that's pretty good. That's actually really good. I think I was looking at it at the wrong angle there, but anyways, pretty good centering. Okay, and then you can see peeking out right there, 14C28N. That is our blade steel, which is a good steel. It's a very good steel. See that steel used a lot in the $50 to $60 knife price range. It's a very respectable steel. It's not a budget steel by any means. So, you know, overall, look is pretty nice. I like it. It's very smooth. It feels slick, so grip may be an issue, but let's go ahead and check the action. Let's see how she flips. Ooh, that wasn't great. I'm hoping that is just because it's not broken in, but let's see. Let's try this again. There we go. All right, so maybe it's a bad flip on my part. Let's try that again. Yeah. You have to flip it with a little bit of authority the first time, but now it seems to be flipping just fine. So that's nice. Yeah, that comes right out. No issues. Just a fluke on that first flip, I think. And then you got your little lock here. So now I won't be able to move that frame lock over, which is nice if you like locks for safety. So, and you can't, well, I'm doing that with my left hand, so it's that lock is real convenient for my thumb. But if I was holding this with my right hand the way you're supposed to, then you gotta kind of switch your grip to flip that thing. But that's not a big deal. Just a little nuance. So the flipper does come around and it acts as a guard. You know, I don't have big hands, so you know, medium to large is my glove size, and you know, it's just fitting. If it was a little bit shorter, pinky may be having issues, but that fits my hand just fine. And you do have some chimping up here on the spine here where your thumb naturally wants to fall, so that's nice. I don't know, there's something that's just not quite comfortable about this, where this flipper comes around. It's almost like that angle is just a little bit too severe, where it feels like it's cramping my fingers together, like it's wanting to push this finger into the next one when I get a nice firm grip on that knife. But you know, overall it's not bad. I've definitely had more comfortable to hold knives, but I don't know. It's pretty light. I believe the frame is 3 CR13 stainless, so you got a stainless steel frame. You do have some chimping here on the frame lock to give you some grip, pushing that over, which I like. So yeah, not bad for 35 bucks. Sure, yeah, I'll take that all day. Now let's see. I mean, that edge feels real sharp, and we do have a nice flat grind on there. So let's see how she slices. Let's see how she slices. We got scrap crap paper again. So let's, oh yeah. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. Look at that. I mean, just effortless. That is amazing. Yeah. The last couple videos, I you know, done some cut tests, which, you know, the knife's cut, but not like this. I mean, it's hard to tell you guys how that feels going through there, but I mean, if you notice, 2 fingers barely touching it, and it, you know, it just slices. It just goes effortless through that paper. Razor sharp. Razor sharp. That's shaving sharp for sure. Again, you know, I wish I had some hair on some part of my arm, but I don't. I never do, so whatever. Can't do the shaving test, but that is fantastically sharp. Really, I mean, I know this knife has gotten some bad reviews online, but I don't know. I think it's pretty nice for 35 bucks. Yeah, for 50 bucks, I mean, that's really not a terrible price for what you get either. You know, fit and finish is real nice. The flipper action is nice. I mean, I can't remember if this is on bearings or not. I'll put a comment in either in the video or in the description to let you know if it's on bearings. But yeah, you can see, you can shake it closed. Detent strong. Not gonna just flip it out with gravity here. So, and that detent is not too hard where, you know, that blade doesn't want to come out when you push the flipper. I mean, well, see, there I go, screwing it up again, but there you go. Nice. I mean, it is kind of monochromatic. I don't know how I feel about that in this silver, but overall, I like it. And that stonewash finish should hide the little minor scratches it's going to pick up right around in my pocket. So yeah, there you go. The E571 with 14C28N blade steel. Cool. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.